Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Philips Air Purifier, and now I'm gonna show you how to change HEPA filter on this device. So here we have this great Philips Purifier, and we need to change the HEPA filter. To change it, first of course we need to remove it from our device. To do it, first we need to remove this cover. To open this cover, we just need to insert our hand on the downside of the purifier, and here we have this cover magnetic, so we just need to drag it and it will be opened. Cool. And here, as you can see, we have the filter shield, filter protector. We have this part to save our filter from hairs, from bigger parts of debris, to make our filter life longer. So first we need to open it. To open it, as you can see, here we have several, so maybe two, yes. Here we have two clips, and we need to open it. You need to do it in very easy way, and that's it. And here we have our HEPA filter. Here we have our HEPA filter. To open it, we just need to drag this part. I don't know what is that. Maybe it's paper or maybe textile. I don't know. And now, as you can see, here we have our HEPA filter. Here we have the code of the HEPA filter to check it. And as you can see, this is original filter. So that's it. And now we can insert the new one in the same way. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.